Dried figs are a delicious and nutritious snack. Soaking them in water boosts their nutrients and digestion. It's better to keep it in the refrigerator for 6 hours. Blend them with water, lemon, and honey for a cool, refreshing drink. This drink is rich in antioxidants, dietary fiber, and natural sugars. Blend soaked figs with cold water, a squeeze of lemon, and a dash of honey. Enjoying this drink regularly can help maintain overall well-being.
Here at Afsan Farm, we believe in the power of good food and its impact on our well-being. Our mission is to present you with mouth-watering recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body and soul. We're all about promoting a healthy lifestyle through the magic of cooking, and we can't wait to share our culinary adventures with you.